welcome back to my channel. This is Soumya and you're watching The Global Tales. So today I'm going to take up a very important question and a very important query that I get a lot of time on my Instagram, on my YouTube, that how to manage hair fall during your weight loss journey. This is a very common question and we all have been through this journey and we all know that yes, hair fall is a problem. So I will discuss few points that can help you and the reason why it actually happens and what you should avoid in order to not face this hair fall problem during your weight loss journey. So yes, let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along to never miss any update from my channel. So yes, let's quickly get started. So the first thing first, let's talk about the reason behind the hair fall during the weight loss journey. So very common mistake that people do is not focus on their nutrition that much when they are on their weight loss journey. They usually starve, they avoid eating, and because of that they lose weight and hair as well. So yes, you have to take care of your nutrition along with your weight loss journey. You have to take care of your diet. It has to be healthy. Not just cutting on food helps you lose weight. It doesn't help you in any way. You have to make sure that you lose weight in a healthy manner. All your hair is intact, all your skin, all your body. So you have to take care of a lot of things like that. So here are some tips that can help you avoid hair fall and help you keep your hair healthy and strong throughout. First, you have to make sure that you have a good protein intake in your diet. So when you are working a lot and you're working out, you're exercising, you're burning calories, the calorie source that you consume should be mostly from protein so that your body doesn't suffer. So protein intake has to increase when you are on your weight loss journey. It's very, very important. So you can make sure that you include foods that have high protein value so that you get enough protein. If you're a vegetarian, look for combinational protein. If you are a non-vegetarian, go for eggs. And if you're not comfortable with the natural sources, you can even go with some protein shakes and making sure of getting enough protein in your diet to get the best possible results in your weight loss. Second tip is to drink lots of water. People often feel that why it's important to drink water in order to keep your hair intact, because when you work out you sweat a lot and hydration plays a very important role. All your sweat glands are engaged, so they need water, they need H2O. So it's important that you hydrate yourself in form of water or any other means like lemon water, mint water, but keep yourself hydrated throughout the day. Third important point is the hair care routine. I hope that everyone has their hair care routine because it's very, very important to take care of your hair as you do to your body, your skin, because hair forms a very integral part of your body. So making sure of taking care of it properly. So I make sure that I at least oil my hair 2 to 3 times a week because oiling actually acts as a nourishment to my hair. So for my hair care routine, I have been using this onion hair care range from Mamaearth that has been relaunched. It is a new and improved hair care range that has onion hair oil, onion shampoo and onion conditioner. We all know that onion is a miraculous kitchen ingredient that has been used for hair fall control traditionally. It's rich in sulfur, which promotes hair growth by strengthening and nourishing the hair. So we are using hair oil, shampoo and conditioner. Hair oil basically is very lighter in consistency, non-sticky and great fragrance. Also, the tip or the special design of this makes it very easy for me to apply it throughout. And then I use onion hair shampoo and onion conditioner that are sulfate free and is amazing on my texture of hair. That works really great for my hair care routine. Talking about the shampoo, it's 8 times more detangling and smoother hair, good cleansing without drying, and hair is smoother, shinier, silkier. 22% foam and 4 times more conditioning effect with no sulfates and toxins. Mamaearth has been my favorite because it's 100% naturals and also they believe in goodness that lies in little choices and actions that they take. So about 1 lakh trees have been planted, 1135 metric tons of plastic being recycled, and 50,000 sanitizers and 20,000 cloth masks have been distributed to COVID heroes. Also, they have launched a new Mamaearth app that has their official app on iOS and Android, link that you can find in my description. So yes, you can definitely download their app. So yes, you can definitely get this for yourself. You can use my code GLOW21 to you get extra 20% discount. It's available on Mamaearth, Amazon and Nykaa, and you can get the discount on mamaearth.in. So now tip number 4 is to avoid using comb just after you are done with your shower. Some people just comb it, because of their busy schedule. That's what I used to do, but make sure that you avoid it because it leads to hair fall problems. Last but not the least, avoid using too much of heat on your hair, like dryers, straighteners. Reduce and minimize the use of them as much as you can. Let your hair dry on its own. Let them style on their own without using these chemicals and hair straighteners. I do not saying just you can have to completely avoid it, because no one can do it. We all use it, but minimize their use as much as you can. That will really help your hair. So yes, these were my hair care tips that can really help you. That helps me, and I do it for myself, so I hope it will help you as well. So yes, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and like this video if you liked it. And yes, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay fit, stay happy, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye, stay fit, stay happy. Bye bye.